Thinking about building a backyard cottage? You probably have questions about the process and how to find the right Pasadena ADU builders for backyard cottages. We've got the answers. 1. Why is it important to hire specialized Pasadena ADU builders for backyard cottages? These builders understand local regulations and can design structures that maximize space and functionality while complying with city requirements. 2. What should I look for in an ADU builder for my backyard cottage? Look for builders with experience in backyard cottage construction, a strong portfolio of completed projects, and positive client reviews. 3. Why is fast permit processing important when building an ADU? Quick permit processing can save you weeks or even months in delays, ensuring your project stays on schedule. ADU builders with expertise in Pasadena's regulations can streamline this process. 4. How can I find ADU builders with fast permit processing? Look for builders with experience navigating local city codes and established relationships with Pasadena's planning department. 5. Can I build an ADU in a small backyard? Yes. Pasadena ADU builders for small spaces specialize in maximizing limited areas, creating functional and stylish designs tailored to your needs. 6. What are the best features for small space ADUs? Compact layouts with multifunctional furniture, clever storage solutions, and open floor plans are ideal for smaller ADUs. 7. What defines a modern ADU design? Modern ADUs typically feature sleek aesthetics, clean lines, open layouts, and eco-friendly materials. Builders specializing in this style can bring your vision to life. 8. How do I ensure my ADU has a modern design? Work with builders experienced in modern architecture who can incorporate the latest trends and innovative materials into your project. 9. How do I get started with my project? Start by reaching out for a consultation and estimate. The best Pasadena ADU builders will guide you through every step, from design to construction. Ready to bring your dream ADU to life? Contact our team of experienced builders for a free consultation at 626-621-5935 or visit adubuilderspasadena.com to learn more.